The Brightup multifunctional grooming kit has just about everything. Each included head easily changes and detaches when you need it. With 90 minutes of power on a single charge. Everything included with the trimmer is 100% waterproof and easy to clean between uses. There's even a few extras, like a cleaning brush, comb, and 5 guide combs for different lengths of hair trimming. Each blade is made out of high-quality rust-proof steel, ensuring clean and safe cutting at all times. Keep yourself looking fantastic with the professional-level grooming kit from Brightup.